In this short tutorial, I will show you how to turn off headphone notifications on your iPhone. Headphone notifications can be quite distracting when you are trying to enjoy your music or podcasts. Luckily, there is a simple solution to disable these notifications. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down a bit, and tap Sounds and Haptics. After that, scroll down to the very bottom. Tap Headphone Safety. Now at the top, you'll see the headphone notifications option. To protect your hearing, your iPhone will measure headphone audio levels. If you exceed the recommended 7-day limit, a notification is sent, and the volume is turned down. It will also show you how many times you have received headphone notifications in the last 6 months. So if you want to turn off headphone notifications on your iPhone, simply toggle off this switch over here. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.